In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft order in Shopify. If you're looking to manage your inventory seamlessly, creating draft orders can be a helpful tool. Whether it's preparing an order for a customer, offering special discounts, or handling exchanges, Shopify makes this process smooth and efficient. So let's dive in and see how you can easily navigate through these steps. First, let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the home page of your store's backend. This is the control center where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see a navigation bar. Here, you're going to click on Orders. This section is the hub for all order related activities, so it's a good idea to become familiar with its layout and options. Once you click on Orders, a new set of options will appear. From this secondary menu, you're going to choose Drafts. The draft section is specifically designed for creating orders that are not yet finalized, allowing you to input details and make any necessary updates before processing the transaction. Now let's create our draft order. You'll see a button labeled Create Draft Order. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll arrive at a page where you can start adding products to your draft order. There are a couple of ways to do this. If you know exactly which products you want to include, you can use the search bar to quickly locate them. Simply type in the name of the product and select it from the list. Alternatively, if you'd like to browse, you have the option to click on Browse. This is helpful if you have a broader selection to consider, or if you're unsure and want to see what's available. After identifying your desired products, click on Product Types. Here you can filter the products you want to include. Once you've made your selection, check off the items that will be part of this draft order. Now that you've selected your products, the next step is to add them to the order. Just click Add and these products will populate in your draft order. Moving forward, scroll down to see more options like payment terms. Since this is a draft order, you might want to select payment due later if your customer will pay at a later date. This flexibility can be critical for maintaining good customer relations or handling special circumstances. Then you'll want to click Send Invoice. This step is crucial as it allows you to notify your customer about the order and payment details. You're going to need to type in the name of the person you want to send this invoice to. If there's any specific information or a personalized message you'd like to include, now is the time to add that custom message. Finally, before wrapping up, click on Review Invoice to ensure all details are accurate and complete. And there you have it, you've created a draft order in Shopify ready to be reviewed and confirmed by your customer. Using draft orders can make your order management more adaptable and can improve your customer service by allowing for custom solutions. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Shopify store.